JADBio is a automail platform, so it is kind of a platform that easily provides us with the required operations and things that are necessary in order to get the knowledge from the datasets provided instead of working on all the cleansing and everything. JADBio provides all the required tools and things that are necessary for performing analysis on the data and also training the models that are necessary for that as well. So this is the main dashboard of the JADBio. So like we could have our data sets on what are the analyses we have already performed on everything present in this folder. So we could already do everything. And for this is the projects folder. Like we could create number of projects based on that, or we could create a new one or use the existing one, or it automatically gives us a demo use cases folder. Like there are some data sets that are already specified in this. We could either use those, or we could create our own new project and work on those. So like I have created a new assignment folder so that we could like work on that. So in this we could add data, transform data, and every operation we could do on the data set provided. So add data is like we could add data directly from our file present in our system, or any data set that we have in order to perform operations on the data. Or like would you directly use the data set that is present in the JADBio itself, or any other projects that share the data with JADBio. So we could use any of the files. So in uploading files, it's a simple process. We simply just browse the file, drag and drop it, and click on the required fields. And in the data set from another project, like it gives us the option. So these are the list that are presently shown. Like there are a total of 23 data sets provided, so we could choose based from any of that for a demo, and we could perform operations on that. So I'll be taking this Alzheimer's transcription one. So it gives us name. We could write the description if we need, like for further references. We'll attach it, so it gives us a summary, like what is the numerical part, what is the min value, max value, the mode, everything is displayed here. So like it kinds of shows the features of everything. Like we could modify the types here, like category identifier, diagnosis, or like the categorical. So these we could either modify, like, or else we could give it the same. So it's we could edit the data. So if we haven't changed anything, we could simply skip the data. So now we got the Alzheimer transcriptions here. So the data set has been added into us. So like we could click on it, so and it shows all the data in that. So like there's a total of 504 records, and some of those are based on this. These are the fields: diagnosis, HSA, 378, 30, 550. So these are the fields that are present in that. So like these are the sets. So this shows the data sets available. This shows the analysis like previously what we have done, and these are the models. Like we could create a model for that. So like for this we go to the data set transcription. So it shows the related analysis, like if it's present. Otherwise we simply click on analyze the data, so it gives us the option. So we must select one outcome. So like this we could select either the diagnosis or the or any value that is present in that. So it shows the value, like everything looks good, or any missing data is present in this, or we need to perform any valuations on that. So for present I'm be selecting the diagnosis one. So if we click on that, it shows the options, like only relevant features needs to be included, or all features needs to be included, or only interpretable models needs to be done, and what type of effort we need to do, like preliminary, typical, or extensive. And this is this total number of CPU cores. Like there are six available for us. Like we could use all the six at a time, or we could only use one for this and remaining for any other. And we also have some advanced options, like these are the options. Like if we click on run analysis, like the analysis starts running. So here we show, it shows the progress bar. In this progress bar, like it shows what is going on. So like there are total 3400 models for this, and out of that, these many models have been done. So like the best configuration part, the feature selection, like what are the models that are being used, and like total at present like 680 models were trained in 2720 that were not omitted. So like those models might not be necessary for this part. So it does everything. So here is the curve for that, what all the operations has been done. So we will be getting the result shortly. So here it shows the progress, like currently 90% of the progress has been done. And yeah, now like the analysis is finished, like you'll be getting a notification here, like what are finished and everything. So after finishing, like it shows the option to show the results part. In this, it shows the all the results that have been formed. So this is the one which has the highest estimate, so 0.983, and these are all the remaining models that have been used. So everything has its own curve, and all the data present in that. This is the best one, and it gives us all the precision plot and everything. So we could see all the options like interpretability, feature selection, and aggressive feature selection. Like we could also select those. So based on that, so like if we use this HSA one, this might be the plot, and if use that, this will be the thing. And this is the feature HSA MIR 30 DP 50. This is the feature important. So like based on this, the drop will be present.